BMW M for 2025, a symphony of power and aesthetics. In the ever-evolving realm of high-performance coupes, BMW takes a bold step forward with the 2025 iteration of the M4, offering not just power, but a visual statement. Under the hood, the M4 remains a powerhouse, leveraging the twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine. The base model maintains its robust performance, delivering 473 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque, while its sportier counterpart, the Competition, pushes the limits with 503 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque in the rear-wheel drive variant. Notably, the Competition X-Drive model, now boasting an extra 20 horsepower, elevates the total output to an impressive 523 horsepower, showcasing BMW's commitment to relentless innovation. Acceleration figures reaffirm the M4's prowess. The standard M4, equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission, gracefully sprints to 60 miles per hour in 4.1 seconds. In contrast, the rear-wheel drive Competition model achieves this feat in a swift 3.8 seconds. Surprisingly, the M4 X-Drive, despite the power boost, maintains its 60 miles per hour times at 3.4 seconds for the coupe and 3.6 seconds for the convertible. While the M4's performance credentials remain stellar, BMW introduces captivating visual enhancements for the 2025 model year. The front end receives a modern touch with a new headlight LED design, complemented by refreshed taillights featuring a laser-accented design. For those seeking a more audacious aesthetic, BMW offers the M-Design exterior graphic, featuring a striking center stripe in black or red, adorned with an M logo on the hood and subtle accent lines throughout the body. Inside the M4's cockpit, a redesigned steering wheel takes center stage, characterized by a flat-bottomed rim and modified spokes. The introduction of the M Alcantara finish adds a touch of luxury and marks a first for this model. Technological advancements include the integration of BMW's iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, showcased on a new 14.9-inch touchscreen, the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster behind the steering wheel, coupled with the standard Live Cockpit Professional system, ensures an immersive driving experience complete with navigation and an M-specific head-up display. In summary, the 2025 BMW M4 not only amplifies its powerful performance, but also embraces a distinctive visual identity. It stands as a testament to BMW's commitment to pushing boundaries, providing enthusiasts with a symphony of power, aesthetics, and cutting-edge technology.